Awesome, sir. Awesome.
Oh yes, still here. As you can see, me and Mick are the toppers. I just want to say, last year when we did 66 shows and we did not have Chris, I came out and I would say that I felt that you guys were like the dream catchers, and that we would throw the songs back and forth, and it was amazing because it had been going on for 40 years. And this year, it's like, you know, she just called up at the end of October and just said like, I'm in, I'm coming back. And we were like, so what I think is, I think all those times I said that there were dream catchers, I think that we actually did it as one force. We threw out the big dream catcher and we got our dream girl back. So we are very proud to have her back, and it makes, for me, to have my best girlfriend back here in the band is like, you have no idea, it's so amazing. She's been gone for 16 years, so that really is, it really is a dream come true for all of us, and I want you to know that we just love playing for you, and we love sharing her with you, and we're so happy that she's back. God bless you, everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful night. Thank you for coming out. We appreciate it.
What a fantastic evening. Thank you so very much. Needless to say, all of us in Fleetwood Mac are reeling from our experience with Chris's return, and these are just the beginnings of a long, lovely trek across this planet. So thanks for being here tonight. We would never leave a field, a pub, an auditorium, or anywhere we've ever played without saying the following. In this extremely crazy world we do live in, take care of yourselves, and more importantly, be kind to one another. We do love you so very much.